Hi guys, welcome back. Previous time we jump away from the food topic and we were talking about mindset and way of thinking. If you missed the video, the link is going to be below, and now we are back with food. And previous time, few weeks ago, when I show you my chocolate recipe, it was huge interest, so today I'm gonna show you chocolate mousse recipes, and let's go and see them right now. Back. As you see, I'm using recipes with melted chocolate, and that's my own chocolate, which in my opinion is super good for us and for our health. There are no sugars inside, no dairy products, and there is only good fats in it. So if you don't know how to make it, the recipe is going to be below in the description section and takes only a few minutes to do so. And I want to tell you a few more words about the mousses. For example, the first one is full in proteins, it's with beans, and in my opinion it's tasty and you cannot feel the beans inside. The second one is with avocado, and it's good in good fats which are good for the body, so you can use it and eat it. And if you're a person like me who doesn't like avocado, I can tell you that it's one of my favorite ones, and I don't know why, but I do like this mousse even if it's with avocado. And the third one, it's with banana, and chocolate and banana for me are like the best friends. So I put some nuts inside, and if you have problems with nut allergy and things like that, you can use some dry fruits to replace the nuts inside of it. And you can use any nuts which you like. As you see, they are soaked, so I won't tell you in some future video why I'm soaking the nuts always, but anyways, I recommend you to soak them. So buddies, that was for today, and as usual, if you like the video, please give me a thumb up And if you need to ask me anything, you can contact me in comments down, or you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And do not forget to subscribe the channel, this red thing down there. On this way you won't miss any future videos. And let's see you next Sunday with topic which I won't tell you.
Nice to meet you, where you been? I can show you incredible things. Magic.
So I want to say a few more words, and people who are following my channel, they already know that I had cancer and I'm in remission, and I could say I handle on pretty good way the situation, and it was different than many others. So I started this channel actually to help people to go through this on easier way, and hopefully to keep remission for a while, and I'm hoping for the same as well. And also for people who are prone to these diseases, they have it in the genes, they have it in the family, they are open to mutations, and actually everybody is. And the idea of eating clear and on healthy way and thinking on healthy way is to make it possible not to have these mutations, or at least not to hurt our body. So please, I'm asking you, if you know anybody who is fighting this, or they're prone to these diseases, or they want to keep this away from them, subscribe the channel, share the channel, and actually that was the idea why I started. So thank you very much, and I really want to help anybody out there with this. And I have no problems to talk to people, to explain how I live, to explain about my protocol, to explain what kind of food I don't eat and why I choose not to eat them. And as you see, all of my recipes which I'm sharing, they do not have those things inside, these ingredients, and that's not just because I don't want to put them, or they're expensive or things like that. This is because of the protocol which I'm following, and I believe this is the way everybody can keep these mutations away. Doesn't matter if it's now or in future or forever. So please share with whomever you think it will be good for. So thank you very much, and ciao, and see you next Sunday. Ciao.
Meet you, where you been? I can show you incredible.